Hello friends, welcome to Padhaku's Adda. Today we will cover all the expected questions from 17th April to 18th April from the daily current affairs. This video will be only in English session. If you want to listen Hindi session, then the video is available on our channel. You can watch that also. So our first question is, how many color coding the government has decided to divide all districts across the country to help manage COVID-19 pandemic. So here in the image you can see there are 3 division of the zones, but in examination you would not get any image, so you should know the answer. So the government has divided the districts into 3 different colored zones. One is red color, orange color and green color. The red colors are the hotspots, orange colors are the non-hotspot districts, and green color are the non-infected districts which have not even a single case of COVID-19. The very famous Delhi and Mumbai is in red zone. We all know that. Okay, so this will help in managing COVID-19 pandemic as well as partially opening up of the economic activities. So we all know that Modi ji wants to open India or some areas of India after 20th April. For this, they have did this. So the area which are coming into green zone could be open after 20th April. Okay, so they have to done the partial opening, because of which they did this. Any district reporting more than 6 cases would be classified as red zone, and any district which have more than 15 cases would be classified in outbreak red zone. Yes, so there is one more category in red zone, outbreak. So any district which will have more than 15 cases will come in outbreaking of the red zone. Thrissur Puram festival has been cancelled for the first time on account of the COVID-19 outbreak. It is related to. So this festival is related to Kerala. This festival is known as the mother of festival of Kerala. It is the very big festival of Kerala, and it has been cancelled for the first time due to COVID-19, because as you can see into the image, many people or a lot of people gather to celebrate this festival. Elephants are also included in this festival, but because of COVID-19 we need to have a distance of 6 feet, because of which this festival have been cancelled. This festival was started on 18th century and this was to be celebrated on 3rd May. But as the lockdown has been extended till 3rd May, this festival has been cancelled. All the temples unite and celebrate this temple and obey Lord Shiva, the Hindu mythology Lord Shiva. And this was first started by the King of Cochin in 18th century. Which torpedo US has sold to India? So US has sold to India Mk-54 or Mark 54, this torpedo. You can see into the image. So Mk-54, US has approved to sell 16 such torpedoes, 16 Mk-54 torpedo to India. Okay, the most important thing about this torpedo is it is very lightweight and highly explosive. This is very lightweight and highly explosive. These are used by US surface ships, fixed wing aircrafts, helicopters, and these are their primary anti-submarine weapon too. So this is a very unique and very important tornado which they have sold to us right now. Name the device recently developed to test COVID-19 which could confirm it within 2 hours with 100% accuracy. Yes, it's Chitra Gene Lamp N. So this device can check COVID-19 test and can confirm the contamination within 2 hours, and it is 100% accurate. So its result is always 100% accurate because it works on the coronavirus gene. So Its result could never be false or negative or wrong. It was developed by Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences, Science and Technology, Trivandrum. So with this, you can understand the name Chitra. So it's Chitra Gene Lamp because it has been developed by Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Science and Technology in Trivandrum. It can give result within less than 2 hours, and the number of sample that can be tested in one batch are 30. So 30 samples can be tested in one batch, and it can give result within 2 hours only. So it allows a large number of testing possibility in a single day. It has been developed because India want to increase its testing capability. Now you can connect to us on Padhaku Adda Telegram channel and Instagram. So please follow us on Instagram and connect with us on Telegram also. PADHAKUSADDA Padhaku Adda is our Instagram username, and PADHAKU_SADDA Padhaku Adda is our Telegram's username. Which date is observed as World Hemophilia Day? So 17th April is observed as World Hemophilia Day. This day is celebrated to raise the awareness about hemophilia disease and other inherited bleeding disorders. This disease is especially a bleeding disorder, and very rare people know about this. That's why on 17th April, every lectures and workshops is being taken to get an idea or to know the symptoms and preventive measures of this disease. The theme for this year is Get Plus Involved. Get Plus Involved. Okay. Which among the following apps is defined as unsafe according to Ministry of Home Affairs? So Zoom app, which is used to have meetings from home only, is defined as unsafe from our home ministry, and the government said that we will develop our own application as soon as possible for the meetings so that it would be safe. Which app has become the world's highest downloaded app in just 13 days? So yes, it's Arogya Setu, which have become the world's highest downloaded app in just 13 days, and more than 50 million people have downloaded this application within 13 days. This app is very good because it can show you the people near you who are affected with the COVID-19. If you are at any place, it will use the location. If you are traveling or you are at any place, it will show you the people in your area who are affected with the COVID-19, and you could maintain distance with them. So it's a very good application. Please download. Which park has become first quarantine facility for animals? So Jim Corbett National Park has become the first quarantine facility for animals in a view to protect animals from coronavirus. Recently, you would have heard that a tiger from US was found COVID-19 positive. There was news on some tigers in India also, that they could be positive of COVID-19. And now WHO also said that very rarely, some dogs and cats have also found to be COVID-19 positive. So in a situation to protect these animals from COVID-19 positive, the government have prepared and government have made some quarantine centers in Jim Corbett National Park. Right now it is 10 quarantine centers in this national park. Thank you so much friends for watching our video. Please like and share our video, subscribe to our channel, stay home, stay safe. Please be at your home and utilize this time for your preparation. Thank you so much and all the very best for your preparation.